match or just the honor? Okay. Alrighty. So here we have some hype Falcon Dittos.
Hello, this is your host, Devon Dunashki. What can I say?
He's lying. He's
I love anime.
He also loves trans lollies.
I will eat your soul.
Okay, so we're up and away. So we got this Captain Falcon Honor Money match, and whoever loses has to leave the scene.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, whoever loses this is just gonna disgrace themselves so bad.
Yeah. So right now, so that back air that Nerd just got, that was really shameful. And oh man, if Potato keeps getting hit like that, he's gonna. I'm so ashamed.
Oh. Yeah, getting hit by those specials.
Oh, nice honor, Riley. Potato.
Potato man. He's playing like a potato, if you ask me. Ooh, tried to go for the spike.
Oh well. Potato is showing us just how much honor he has.
Oh, the weak knee.
Oh, no, not a very honorable way to get hit.
Oh, the Nerd with a sick landing catch. Is Nerd gonna take this and be the best Falcon in Eastern Oregon? Oh, that was jank. They're both playing neutral very carefully.
No, they're not.
Well,
no,
as much
okay.
as you can in a Falcon Ditto.
Galkin. Oh, hey, Bridger's here. Hi, Bridger.
It's like Galkin. Is that like
We miss
Gallica?
Yeah, it's like Galaga. So, oh, yeah, oh, man, all right. Potato is still a full stock. Oh, wait. No, wait, I'm getting confused. Yes, Potato is a full stock behind. He is currently losing his honor very badly.
He might just be 2 stocks behind.
Now no one will marry him. So, let's see. So now let's get to analyzing the match. So Riley, Potato's just doing Potato doing a thing, and then Nerd just did a thing.
I feel like Riley knows in his mind how to play Falcon, but just spaghettis in a real game. Trashes and the nastiest. I agree.
Oh, okay. Yep. There's Blood Falcon, otherwise known as Potato or Calf, if you will.
I'm seeing a lack of downer spikes. Gotta be honest.
Yeah. See, so there's not a whole lot of honor here. There's no Falcon punches, no knees. It's really just it's like a tickle. It's like a tickle match. It's like they're just tickling each other. Oh, preferably if you hit. How about we land them?
Landing a Falcon punch would be nice, but I think that's asking a little too much out of these two, who are.
Okay, so what's that really?
I think landing one of the, like a down air or a knee is asking too much out of these two individuals. They're not particularly good at Smash 4.
Yeah, it's. I mean, it's honestly disgraceful. I mean, Baked Potato and Parrot.
This is on stream. This is all being recorded.
Yeah, I know. That's the most embarrassing thing for Riley.
If these two can somehow manage to have children, they will watch this.
I know this is immortalized. I mean, okay. So let's try to preserve what little honor they have left. So I mean, this is a grudge / honor match. So they're okay. So we got the color counter pick. I see. We have Potato going Golden Falcon. Golden Falcon has a history of not losing. In fact, you cannot lose as him, which is why he's banned. So here we got some stuff. They're throwing moves out. Yep, there we go. The up air to nair, the kick, the punch, the punch.
Oh, I cannot count how many knees they've thrown out.
I know.
They've all missed. All of them. It's not that hard to land, guys. Just you take your knee and you hit them.
Yeah, I mean, got. Oh, but
Counter spike? No. Poor
But
execution.
it looks like Tomato has a has an advantage here. So a Parrot might want to parrot some of what Tomato is doing.
Oh, finally!
Finally someone
Thank
landed.
God.
Forgive me, I almost popped off there. Finally someone landed a knee. Honor has been brought back to Eastern Oregon. Thank you very much, Potato. However, this is by no means over. As we have seen, neither of these people are really interested in hitting each other so much as just having a tickle fight. See, oh yeah. See, could you, oh, yep, there we
Wow.
go. See, the optimal thing to do there would have been to drop shield. I mean, it's like when you let someone hit you with Falcon Punch, they get really cocky. It's like they're going to be really easy to beat.
Exactly.
They're going to start picking all the aggressive options. This is disgusting. I'm
Moral victory. That was not even...
If Nair kills... Okay. Alright, so the honor... So these two still...
Oh. The knee just tickled him.
Oh man, God, why Sakurai?
That was a Kodak moment right there. Alright. Ooh, what a trade.
Oh man, and okay, so real talk, Parrot has brought this back in a big way. If he, this is supposed to be best of 5. I say it's a best of 3 because Potato should just, if he gives up this lead, he should be super nervous right now. Oh man,
No
spaghetti, okay,
Spaghetti all around.
spaghetti, okay,
Oh,
that was a spaghetti back air.
No.
That was a spaghetti back,
Oh,
okay,
we
that
got
was a
one.
spaghetti down air.
Now we just need a Falcon Punch. We got a knee, we got a spike, now we just need a Falcon Punch, and the Trinity Force will be complete. Potato, what is this? We were promised Falcon Dittos?
Oh, yet another color. Riley, you're not allowed to counterpick. You won the last game.
Exactly. Yeah, it goes winner. Winner gets to choose if they counterpick, and then loser, I think. Something.
Nah, character, the person who won's locked. I think.
I'm familiar with that part of the rule set, but
Oh! Oh, okay. Well, Iago. Okay, nice.
Good call, Taylor. Good call.
Okay, so we got Baked Tomato versus Iago.
the knee at 50% feels good.
So Iago is actually what's his name? Oh man, so many names.
It's the parrot from Aladdin.
Yeah, Aladdin. It's what's the guy who plays it? His name? Gilbert Godfrey. Thank you. It's Gilbert Godfrey. And this Falcon man. I can't do it.
Reading the roll right there.
Okay. Oh wait. Oh, God, Tomato's just trying to.
Iago just is not going for these edge guards well enough, I think.
Yeah, it's. I mean, you think he'd be comfortable off stage. He's been with Aladdin enough on a magic carpet ride
Exactly.
to be able to just fly and just know what be comfortable in the air, be comfortable without a solid substratum beneath him.
Exactly. Pigeon. Iago has now turned into
Pigeon?
a pigeon.
Okay, pigeon. So
He is a
we have
shapeshifter.
the god pigeon here. We have Ray Liotta as the god pigeon.
When are we gonna get mashed potato? Hello? Mashed potato?
Mashed potato. I'm going to leave that to Taylor's discretion. I think that honestly, given the amount of spaghetti we've seen, it would be more appropriate to just call him Sketty Tato. Okay. So the interesting thing about this matchup, though, is that what you see what you see Tomato doing right now is actually characteristic of someone whose arms are weak, and who has just eaten a big bowl of mom's spaghetti.
I think his knees are getting heavy.
Yeah, his knees.
That's why he can't land them.
Knees weak, arms spaghetti, eyes heavy, Eddie spaghetti.
Vomit in his shoes. Vomit in his pockets. Vomit everywhere.
And I think I just heard Huey call me an old man.
You're probably the oldest here.
And I'm looking, yeah, I'm seeing that
Oh.
Joker rictus on his face as he's so pleased with himself after calling me an old man. Yeah, I don't even have a college degree yet. I got like a year left.
I'm never gonna visit you when you get into a home, John.
Thanks, Rui. Oh, hey, by the way, when I get my bachelor's degree, you guys gonna call me bachelor?
Hell no.
Well, like if you get a doctorate and people call you doctor, if you get your master's, why don't people call you master? Like, I think I would like being called master better than doctor.
That's too gay. Gotta be honest, just calling other dudes master for like no reason. I don't know. I don't like it personally.
Well, I mean, doctor has sort of that sort of risque, like, oh, doctor. Oh, bachelor.
I don't know. I haven't
You're
seen
not a
that many.
bachelor anymore.
I haven't seen that many sexy doctors. Gotta be honest. All my doctors are old men.
Oh, man.
Not particularly attractive, but that's just my taste.
Oh, man. Okay. Oh, man, this is so close down to the wire. Oh, man. So, are we going to have a 2-2 here? Am I finally going to be able to play my money match?
Oh yes, Daddy.
Am I finally? Is oh, what?
What was
he
that?
Riley, Potato wasn't even like he was above the stage. Why would you go for a down air spike after that? That's like.
I mean, he got the air dodge read. He just didn't execute it properly. He reversed it.
Oh God,
I
sour
don't have
spot.
it.
Okay, I'm never gonna get to money match. It's gonna go on forever.
What kind of Falcon Dittos go for 3
God,
minutes?
sour spot money match. Oh my God. Okay, yep. Okay, great. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for making a game 5.
We're going to game 5 here, folks. It's anybody's game. But ultimately, we're all losers here. Gotta be honest. No winners, just losers.
Yeah, there are people out there playing Overwatch for millions of dollars, and here I am getting second at a tournament that I worked really hard to get second at, and I made $25. I'm a loser, man.
Oh, Lilat. That's an interesting stage choice, gotta be honest. I don't particularly like the stage choice, but that's okay.
No, I mean, maybe if luck be a lady tonight, maybe one of them will SD really early. Oh yeah, do it for the irony.
Let's go.
Do it for the children or something.
Well, it's not gonna happen now. Complicated first. Oh, the knee.
Okay, don't SD. Oh my God, what was that? You could have kneed him.
Don't hit a knee. Don't hit a downer spike. Don't hit a Falcon punch.
Oh man, this looks like the end for Potato.
Oh no, nerd.
Nope, and it appears. I'll say, okay, so Parrot is. I don't know if you can see the player cam. He is currently in tears.
Oh no!
Oh, okay. So apparently, so
This is considered a dick move in bird culture.